In this video, I want to show you how to construct a confidence interval using StatCrunch. So here, I have an example. A poll asked for people's opinion on whether closing local newspapers would hurt Sigrid life. 428 of 1,003 respondents said it would hurt Sigrid life a lot. So let's suppose we want to compute a 95% confidence interval. And we want to use StatCrunch, so let's go to StatCrunch. So you're going to click on StatCrunch on the left and StatCrunch website. When we don't have data, we're not going to load the data. We just want to use StatCrunch. So hit open StatCrunch. And we're going to go to stat, proportion stats, one sample with summary. We don't have a whole data. We don't have a column of data. We only have a summary. So let's go with one with summary. And right here, we want to input number of successes here. Remember, we have 428 of them said it would hurt a lot. So number of successes over here would be 428. Number of observations would be total number of observations. That's 1,003. And we are looking at a confidence interval. And we say we want to construct a 95% confidence interval. So level right here will be 95%. So don't worry about the method here. And hit compute. Then you will have a bunch of numbers right here. P means proportion, count means number of successes, total means total number of observations, simple proportion, that's going to be the ratio of the previous two, which you would take 428 divided by 1,003, then you will get this number. Standard error, that's standard deviation of sampling distribution. So you got a formula in the book too. It's going to be square root of p hat multiply 1 minus p hat divided by n. And here is our lower limit and upper limit of confidence interval. So lower limit here is 0.396. Upper limit right here is 0.457. So there we go. It's pretty simple and easy to use StatCrunch to construct a 95% confidence interval. And let's look at another example where you don't have number of successes directly. So I remember it's in like 25. So yes, right here you have a simple random sample of 1,300 young people. 89 of them had earned a high school diploma. So right now, if I want to construct a 95% confidence interval of percentage of people who had earned a high school diploma. So if I want to use StatCrunch, the input right there, I need to input the number of successes. But right here, I don't have number of successes. I only have the percentage. So first thing you need to do is to compute the number of observations that had earned a high school diploma. So we have number of people in our sample, and 89 of them had earned a diploma. So it's pretty easy to compute the number of them who had earned diploma. How are we going to do that? It's to take 89% multiply 1,300. Then that's a number of people who had earned a high school diploma. So that's equal. Then yeah, 1,157 of them had earned a high school diploma. And right now we can use StatCrunch to construct a 95% confidence interval. So go to stat, proportion stats, one sample with summary. And the number is 1,157 of them had earned a high school diploma. Number of observations, that's a total number, so 1,300. Still, we're looking at a confidence interval, 95% confidence interval. Don't worry about the method. And hit compute. And there you go. You have a lower limit and upper limit of confidence interval. So that's all you need to know to construct a confidence interval using StatCrunch. I hope you find it helpful.